Let's learn about Piet Mondrian. Okay, so who knows what the primary colors are? Anyone? Well, they are blue, red, and yellow. Primary colors mean that they can be combined to produce other colors, such as orange, green, and purple. While it might be really limiting to a lot of artists to only decide to use these three colors, Dutch painter Piet Mondrian decided to form his most well-known style only around these colors. Mondrian was born in the Netherlands in 1872 and spent his youth around people who studied and taught art, including his father and uncle. Today, he is recognized as one of the pioneers of the abstract art movement. Abstract art means that art uses shapes, colors, and forms rather than easily identifiable objects such as people. Like many painters before him, Mondrian studied the classic and academic styles of art, but decided to create something totally new. His early paintings were in the style of Impressionist art, which was popular at the end of the 19th century. But as he refined his technique, Mondrian became influenced by artists such as Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque, who were experimenting with Cubism. And later he was influenced by artist Bart Van Der Leck, who also used primary colors and simplified and geometric shapes in art. Piet Mondrian became a founder for an entirely new Dutch art movement called De Stijl, which meant the style, and was very strict about its use of horizontal and vertical lines. Piet Mondrian was fascinated with color and decided to break away from the styles he was taught. He used primary colors such as red, blue, and yellow, the three primary values of black, white, and gray, and combined them with vertical and horizontal lines, creating simple and eye-catching art. Piet Mondrian was a great influencer to artists who came after him in the 1940s and 1950s, such as Rothko, who created color-filled paintings with minimalist blocks of color. Minimalism means art, design, and architecture that removes everything that isn't necessary. In other words, minimalism means simple. Piet Mondrian also influenced fashion and architecture. In fact, his artworks often resembled buildings and windows because they were clean, bold, and flat. He would often turn his paintings on their side so they appeared to be diamond-shaped. The simplicity of his artwork was the point, but he also wanted to achieve balance. One side of the artwork could not visually outweigh the other side. His groundbreaking work influenced a lot of artists around Europe at the time because, since no one had ever decided to create art with such a simple fashion, they decided that they could too. Piet Mondrian's name became synonymous with modern art, as he influenced scores of artists, designers, and architects who came after him.
Comic Kids.